Southern Country Living, and today I'm making 4-ingredient cake mix cookie bars. And this was recommended from someone that watches us, and I think this will be a really good dessert for me and Calvin tonight. We're also, I'm going to be making casserole tonight, and I think that this cookie bar recipe will go good with it. So these are my ingredients. Duncan Hines cake mix. I'm going to be using oil, and by the way, this will be in the description below. And a beaten egg, and it called for chocolate chips, but I had this milk chocolate and peanut butter chips here, and so that's what I'm going to be using today in my recipe. So first of all, I'm going to be spraying 9 by 13 pan. So I'm going to be putting in my cake mix. And so I'm going to, next step is I'm going to be putting in my oil, and I don't know if I said this would be in the description below, but it will be. So there's my oil, and then my beaten egg. And this is another budget-friendly recipe, and it's easy and very good from what I've been told. Okay, I'm going to stir that up just a little bit. And this is going to be a stiff batter, but
it looks good, Marie.
yeah, the chocolate chips smell good.
I think the peanut butter chips is going to make it great.
Yeah, I said chocolate chips, but I meant peanut butter. I'm going to be making for our dinner tonight, I'm going to be making a Vita, it's hard to say, a Vita taco mac dish. And I'm going to be making that video as soon as I get this one made.
That is a stiff batter.
It is. It's very stiff, but I think I've just about got it all mixed up. I'm going to get a spoon and scrape off that. Well, here's my spatula. I'll use it. Okay. I think the hardest part of this recipe is going to be spreading the dough in my dish, because the batter is so stiff. Okay, I'm going to use, I think I'll cut down for a minute. Whoa. When they talk about this batter being stiff, that's exactly what it is.
Well, I can tell it's very stiff, but I do like how it looks.
Yeah, I'm going to be serving mine over ice cream tonight with chocolate syrup.
Maybe you won't make me wait till tonight to try a little piece.
Okay. Let's see now. Oops. Sorry about that. I hope I
Marie,
didn't-
can you move that bowl over just a little bit for me so I can see?
Yeah, hopefully it didn't hit you, cameraman. Flinging stuff around in here today. Okay.
It's smashing out pretty good.
Yeah. I might go in here with my hands next, but I do have clean hands. Okay, let's see how this is going to work.
Oh yeah, that works good there.
Yeah. Okay. Usually when I'm doing my recipes during the morning hours, I always hear the wildlife out in our yard. They're all quiet today. I don't even hear the crows. Okay, and it's a beautiful day today here in Georgia.
Let me get a little close up of that and see how it looks close up. Oh yeah, that looks good, Marie.
Okay, so my next thing I'm going to do is put this in a 350-degree oven, and I'm going to let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. And the way you want to store these afterwards is you want to store them in an airtight container. So that's how they look. So I'll be back in about 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, my cookie bars just came out of the oven, so I'm going to let them sit here and cool for about an hour, and then I'll be back.
Do I have to wait an hour to get a piece of that?
Yeah,
That looks great.
it smells good too, doesn't it?
You gonna put some ice cream on it for me?
Yeah, and some chocolate syrup.
Oh man, you gonna spoil me good, Marie.
So we'll be back in about an hour.
What are you gonna work on now?
I'm going to be doing my taco mac and cheese. Velveeta taco mac and cheese.
That sounds good too. That's gonna be for supper tonight?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm looking forward to that. What day is today? It sounds like Sunday.
No, it's Thursday.
You spoiling me good, girl.
Okay, see you in a little while. Hi everyone. Me and Kevin just got through eating lunch, and so now we're going to eat our dessert. And our lunch was really good. Okay. One scoop or two, Kevin?
One.
Okay.
That looks good, Marie.
Think so too. It might have looked even better if I put the ice cream in the middle too. I think I'm going to go with one. give it the taste test. A little bit of ice cream here.
Does it taste as good as it looks?
Mm-hmm.
It looks great.
Okay, we'll be trying this one again too. So, do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great evening. Bye.